That is 24 ounces of whole pitted cherries. Coming in with about 1 cup of granulated sugar, which I'm just gonna eyeball. And to this, I'm gonna add about 4 tablespoons of cornstarch, also eyeballing. Now I'm gonna give this a stir. Don't worry, that cherries are gonna release some juice here, and we're gonna have a delicious, delicious sweet treat, which is gonna be juicy, and it's gonna also thicken up nicely with that cornstarch. All right, our cherries are starting to get juicy and thick. It's only been about a minute or two. We're gonna turn this heat down and let these simmer for 20 minutes. All right, where our cherries are bubbling away and simmering, I'm just adding some heavy whipping cream to a bowl here. We're gonna put a decent amount. Of course, we're gonna do some powdered sugar. I like quite a bit because I want mine to be sweet. And a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now we're just gonna be whipping this all together. And once our whipping cream is ready, we're gonna be ready to combine all the elements of this delicious treat. Perfect to make for Valentine's Day, or really any time of year to impress your friends and family. Alrighty, y'all, our cherry compote is done, looking good. As you can see here, I've got my 4 glasses with a brownie round into the bottom of each one. Now I'm just gonna come in with some of this cherry compote, trying not to dribble it everywhere, and I'm gonna put a little bit on top of each brownie round. Y'all, this is gonna be so delicious. You could do this with strawberries, blueberries, whatever your favorite fruit is. Right now, I just thought the cherries would be so sweet and delicious. Like I said, this is a perfect dessert for Valentine's Day or any time of year where you wanna make something with love, a sweet treat. Now you may have noticed at the beginning, we actually cut out 8 rounds of our brownies from our sheet pan of thinly baked brownies. So I'm just gonna add another layer of brownie into each cup. So it goes brownie, cherries, brownie. And now we're coming back in with our homemade whipped cream. I'm gonna do a dollop on top of each of these, or possibly a little bit more than a dollop. But this is gonna be so delicious with those homemade fudgy thin brownies, our cherry compote, and of course our homemade whipped cream right on top. Beautiful. Now I'm just gonna do a little bit of chocolate shavings right on top of each of these to finish it off. I'm using dark chocolate, but of course use whatever kind you like. And since it's around Valentine's Day, I'm gonna finish these off with a little bit of Valentine's sprinkles. I know you're not a sprinkles fan, Marty, but you can eat around them.
Fair enough.
Alrighty, y'all, moment of truth. Chocolate, cherries, whipped cream. How could you go wrong? Oh my gosh. Woo! Y'all, this is heavenly. You've definitely got to give this a try.